Axis Communications has always been more than a camera manufacturer. Axis has built one of the strongest open platform security ecosystems in the world. Cameras, access control, 2N intercoms, network audio, radar, analytics, device management, and video management options. But the market is changing again. Axis Cloud Connect, Cisco Meraki support for selected Axis devices, and the rise of AI video applications are moving the conversation. Beyond the traditional question of which camera should we buy, or even which VMS should we use, the new question is broader. Which security architecture should manage the cameras, the cloud connection, the network, the AI applications, the cybersecurity controls, and the long-term support model? For some organizations, Cisco Meraki may become a practical dashboard and orchestration layer for supported Axis devices. That is especially important for companies already standardized on Meraki networking, switching, firewalls, wireless infrastructure, and cloud dashboard operations. This is a major validation of the Axis open platform strategy. Axis is not being treated as a closed camera ecosystem. It is becoming part of broader cloud-managed security architecture. But this does not mean every Axis product works with Meraki. It does not mean Meraki replaces every VMS. And it does not mean organizations should make camera, VMS, or cloud decisions without design review. Compatibility, firmware, and licensing all matter. Retention matters. Network readiness matters. Cybersecurity matters. Access control, intercoms, audio, radar, and analytics all matter. That is why BTI approaches this as an architecture decision. The traditional VMS decision included many options. Options like Axis Camera Station Pro, Milestone X Protect, ExactVision, Avigilon Unity, Your6, Arcules, Brevo, and Avigilon Alta. Now, organizations also evaluate Meraki workflows, Axis Cloud Connect, and AI application layers. The second major change is AI. A new generation of video AI applications is emerging for industrial safety, healthcare safety, and compliance workflows. These applications may coexist with Axis cameras, Axis Cloud Connect architecture, and the client's VMS or cloud platform of choice. That means the VMS is no longer the only software decision. Organizations must evaluate the camera, network, and cloud layers together. For example, a logistics facility may care about PPE detection, forklift monitoring, restricted area alerts, or yard activity. A healthcare environment may care about safety workflows, entry control, privacy, access governance, and video retention. A multi-site organization may care about standardizing camera models, Meraki workflows, and AI readiness across every location. These are not just product decisions. They are design, governance, integration, and support decisions. BTI Communications Group is an Axis Gold partner, helping organizations evaluate Axis systems, cloud VMS, and manage support. BTI also supports Meraki networking and cybersecurity, which matters because modern security systems depend on the network. For existing Axis owners, this update may create new modernization options without replacing every camera. BTI can review your inventory. We review firmware versions, VMS platforms, network segmentation, PoE switching, and cybersecurity controls. Then we help determine whether the best path is Meraki orchestration, Axis Camera Station, or a hybrid architecture. The key point is simple. Axis Cloud Connect, Cisco Meraki, and AI video applications make security design more important, not less. Organizations that get the most value will be the ones that design the architecture before buying hardware or committing to a platform. If you are evaluating Axis, Meraki, or AI applications, schedule an Axis plus Meraki and AI video architecture review with BTI. BTI can help you evaluate compatibility and the right phase path for your environment. Visit btigroup.com, email info@btigroup.com, or call 800-435-7284.